What is up guys? In this video, we will teach you about compound operators. What are compound operators in SQL?
Compound operators are operators that combine an operation and an assignment in one statement, allowing SQL to modify an existing value and save the result back to the same column or variables.
Add equals for addition, subtract equals for subtraction, multiply equals for multiplication, and divide equals for division, and last but not the least, modulo equals for modulo. These operators are mainly used in update statements to modify existing values. So next are bitwise compound operators. These operators work on a binary values which are zeros and ones instead of normal numbers. In SQL, bitwise compound operators are commonly used for permissions, flags, and access control. The main bitwise compound operators are bitwise OR, bitwise AND, bitwise XOR. They are used to add, keep, or toggle specific bits in a value. So that's it. That's the basic idea of compound operators and bitwise compound operators in SQL.
Although SQL supports bitwise compound operators, they are not included in this video because they are advanced and not commonly used in everyday database operations. So in this video, we will only be covering the non-bitwise compound operators. As said, compound operators are used in the updated statements to modify existing values based on their current value. By using this query I made, I will be demonstrating how each compound operator works. First up on our list, we have the add equals, which basically adds a value to the existing value. As a reference, the current price of our tofu is 23. And let us type our query real quick. This is our query, and we will set the price to now. If we execute this, it says one row affected, meaning it worked. But it doesn't end there yet, we have to check it. The price for the tofu is 23. Once we execute it again, it's now 35, meaning the value of the tofu was increased by 12. Oh, let us try again, but this time we will use the subtract equals sign for our query. Before we execute it, let us check the original price. The current price for our tofu is 35. Now see, if we try to execute it, the query, let's go back here and execute this. It will say one row has been affected, meaning our query worked. Now let's go back here and check the price. From 35, now it will be 23, meaning our tofu price was reduced by 12. The next compound operator we're going to use is multiply equals. This basically multiplies the existing value. Let us go back to our query from before and let's replace this with an asterisk equal. Now what we want here is our tofu's price to be 2 times its original value. Now let us hit execute and see what happens. As you can see, one row affected. Now let's go back and check the price. Let's execute this once again to double check it. Now the price should be doubled. Boom. Now the price is 46, meaning the price have been drastically doubled by its original price. Now let us try a very high value like 53 and execute it. Now let's check the price and it's 2,438. The next compound operator we're going to use is divide equals. Now the price for our tofu is absurdly high. We are going to reduce it by using the divide equals compound operator. Let's say if you want to reduce the price, we're going to divide it by 100. As you can see, the original price for our tofu is 2,000, and let's execute this. One row affected, meaning our query worked. Now let us get back to the tofu price. Let's rerun this and execute that. Now the price for our tofu is now 24. And the last for our list is modulo, which is percentage and equals. Let's say we want the price to be the remainder of the value that we are going to divide. Now that we have executed and one row effective, let us check the price. It's 224. Now, if we rerun it, it will be 24. And that is all for this video. I hope you have learned something new, and thank you for watching.